Hello folks, y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking, and we're going to turn a whistle today. Let's get started with it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drill a hole in the middle. We're drilling a 3/8 hole here. Back out a little bit, clear those chips. And we drilled right to the bottom of that flute, so about 3.5 inches. If you want to change the pitch, you can change the depth, and that'll give you a little bit of different sound there. Okay, real quick, I want to show you guys what we've done so far. Basically, I came in just a little over 3/4 of an inch and made a cut halfway down, and then came in at about a 30-degree angle and made another cut. I did that over on the bandsaw. Didn't think I needed to show that. That's simple enough. You just simply make a cut halfway through, 30 degrees into that cut, meet in the middle. So I'll give you guys a chance to see exactly what that looks like. And at this point, we're going to switch over and put our live center in. Okay, so we've switched over, put our live center in. We've got a cone center on that. Again, you don't want to make that too tight because you can split that wood out. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and make it round. Okay, so let's make us a mark again. We know we drilled 3.5 inches up, so we're going to mark that, and I'm going to go ahead and make this whistle just about 4 inches, okay? Put that mark there, that way I know exactly where I want to part it off. Give me just a moment. I'm going to do just a little bit of sanding, not a whole lot, but we're going to get it a little smoother than just straight off the skew. And I'm going to sand out that V just a little bit so it's a little smoother and looks a little nicer. And I'll be right back. Hey, while I'm sanding and getting this thing a little bit smoother, why don't you guys take just a minute. Go down and click the subscribe button, click the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the videos I'm putting out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, folks, we're back. We've got it sanded and got the tailstock backed off. We're ready to put in the little piece and basically into the hole here. Let's see, give you a little better view. We don't want to go too far in. Basically, this is made from a 3/8 dowel. And what we do is we take, got a couple of them here for you so you can see what we're looking at. We're going to put it on the belt sander, and we're going to take about 1/8 of an inch off of one side of that dowel. When we put it in there, we're going to slide it in till it just lines up with the straight cut. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of glue on one of them. Again, I'm just using regular wood glue. You can use CA if you want to make it cure a little faster, or if you're in a hurry. We'll line it up there, make sure that we're lined up. Okay, so we're going to let the glue dry for just a few minutes, and then we'll come back. I'll part this off, and I'll show you how I finish that end, all right? See you in just a minute. Okay, folks, we've given that glue about 30 minutes to set, so we're back and ready to go ahead and finish this thing up. So let me trim this off right here, and we'll go from there. And again, we're just taking light cuts on this. Again, the glue hadn't been there that long. It's been there about 30 minutes. So with that done, we'll go ahead and go in here and just kind of do some V cuts. I'm just going to round the end of this off. Okay, folks, we're going to go ahead and part it off at this point. When you cut it off with a skew like that, it leaves very little on that end to sand. Take a look at that. It is pretty slick. So we'll sand that just a little bit. And I'll tell you what, give me just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and change the setup just a little bit, and we'll come back and we'll finish the mouthpiece, okay? Okay, folks, welcome back. So what I have done is I put a Jacob's chuck in the headstock and a little drum sander. These are the kind you use with your drill, so it's not anything special. Just a Jacob's chuck in the headstock with a small drum sander. Now, be somewhat careful with these, as that is a Morris taper fit, and I don't have anything holding it in there, so I'll need to pay close attention. Make sure it stays in and doesn't start coming out, okay? And basically what I'm doing at this point, and see, that's exactly what I was talking about. They will come out on you, so you don't want to be turning it real fast. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing there. Just basically making a mouthpiece. And then you can come in just a little bit on each side if you'd like as well. And then I always like to round those corners off just a little bit. And folks, I guess this is where we test this thing and see if it works. We've created a whistle. Didn't take but just a minute. Something you can make in a hurry. Give away to the kids and the grandkids, or the kids in the neighborhood. Sell at craft shows. One of those things, every kid loves a whistle. And a lot of us adults do too. Okay? So I'll go ahead and put some finish on it, take some photographs, and put them at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning. Just put just a little bit of walnut oil on. You can use mineral oil, just a little bit of I always like something that's natural on these, that don't have to worry about too much. But there you go. It is a whistle.